Okay, so members, let us see how we handle this one. Now they are going to give us some analysis in here on basis of the year. Some are going to be per day. Let us see how we handle them. But here you have to be careful. You need to know how many days are in a certain month. Here they are giving us the month of April. You need to know how many days are in April, as you're going to see. So in a certain country, the income tax rate is listed as below. Marriage shillings 120 per annum means per year. Then housing 10% of his gross monthly income. Then here Medicare 1,500 shillings per day. Then family allowance of 3 per month are as follows. Child between 10 to 18 is given 10,000. A child below 9 is given 15. James has a gross monthly income of shillings 900,000, married with 4 children, 2 below 8 years, 1 14 years, and the oldest 17 years. His tax rates are, this is how his tax rates are calculated. Then they are asking us calculate James's April's taxable income. Now April has 30 days. It's started by April has 30 days. That's going to help us somewhere. Okay, now to get the taxable income, our taxable income earnings, our taxable income is equal to the gross income, then minus allowances. Now, here we come and calculate our allowances first. Allowances. So our allowances now, they are going to be, first of all, marriage. So the married allowance, because this man is married, it's going to be now 120,000 per annum. If they say per annum, now we divide by how many months are in a year? They are 12. So we divide it by 12 months. So 120,000 divided by 12. And now this one is going to give us 10,000. So write the amount here, 10,000. So the marriage allowance is giving us 10,000. Then housing, is going to be 10% of his gross. 10% means that 10 over 100 times his gross, which is 900. 900,000, which is going to give you 90,000. So that is this housing. Then they are telling us that medical care, medical, they are telling us that 1,500 per day. So if this one they are giving us this per day, then they multiply by how many days and April shall be having now the month. So times 30, which will give us 45,000. Then they come, James has a monthly income of 900, we finish that. 4 kids and 2 below 8. Now, kids below 8, 2 kids below 8. Now, here what we are going to do, 2 kids below 8, each kid below 9 years. 9 years is receiving 15. Because these are below 8, of course they are falling under this category. So there are 2. We are going to get now 2 now. He also has, you see that he has 14 and also 17. 17 are between 10 and 18. But because we are also interested in some big money, that's why we have not opted for the 2 kids below the age of 9 years. Because for them, they are giving them a lot of money if, of course, we have some common sense. We'd like to take this one where they are giving them more money. Because these ones are giving them 15, yet for this one they are giving 10. So I prefer to take 2 kids at the age below 9 years because they have a lot of money. So I'm going to say now 2 times 15,000, which will be now 30,000. And then 1 kid who's having 14, because they are allowing only 3 kids, but he has 4. So now we just calculate those 3, then we leave the other balance. So we also calculate on the 14 and 17, we just take 1. We can't take 2 because they are only giving for 3 children. That's why 1 kid for 14 years, which will be 1 times now of every in that range, we are giving them 10,000. So remember, that's how we calculate these allowances. We are taking 1 because the total is 3. This will be 2 and this one, that will be 3. And this one has 4. We don't mind about the 4th. Then the allowances, we add those ones. We shall add this plus this plus this. So the 10,000 plus 90,000, then plus 45,000, then plus 30,000, then plus the one for 10,000. Those are his allowances, and we are going to get here. This is going to be 100,000. This is 140. This is going to be shillings, 18,500 shillings. So these are the allowances that man is having. Then his taxable income. Then his taxable income is going to be the gross income, then minus allowances, which is going to be, now his gross was 900,000, now minus 18,500, which is going to give us now, what do you get there? Shillings 715,000. Now this is the amount where we are going to deduct taxes from. Now, as soon as you see that this figure is above this one, you just come here in your pen and you put it here. It's going to be now 715,000. So that when we are computing these ones, you don't forget. Okay, now we come to the income tax, part B, the income tax. Income tax. Okay, now we have income tax. You see that for the first 0 to 100, they are given, so they are not taxing that one. So that one we are leaving because they are not taxing it. So meaning they are not taxing it, so we are not also considering it. The first is going to be, or you can say, the first tax is going to be 0. Because they are not private, so they are not taxing the first. So they are giving that for you for free. Then the second, between 100 to 200, then the second tax. I told you when you see this, you get this minus this. You ignore this one. This one is just to make that this amount we are taxing now is above 100,000. So you ignore this one when you're subtracting. So it's given 5%. So 5 over 100 then times. You get this now minus this. I told you, you ignore this one. So you subtract, I think this one is going to be 100,000 times this, we are going to be having 5,000. Now the third tax is going to be now the 10. Of course, these are in percentages. Over 100, now times, now you get this minus this. Now minus 200, but you ignore this one. And this is going to give you 100,000. This is going to give you 10,000 when you compute 10,000. When you come now to the fourth tax, it's 20%. So I'll say now 20 over 100, then times, you get now 450, then minus 300, and then what you get is going to be, I think you are going to get 150 divided by that, okay, times 0.2, you'll be getting 30,000. Then the 50 tax is going to be 30%. So 30 over 100 now times, you get this minus this. Then minus 4, 50,000. Ignore one, I told you the reason why. Here we are going to get 100. Here we are going to get 100 times that is going to give us 30,000. Then the last tax from here, this now, the 60 tax. Now I told you, now you get the 500, this the taxable income, then minus what is here. So you get, but the tax is 50%. Then times, you get your taxable 71500. Then minus what is here. Because above 500 and above this is going to be the above they are talking about. So you get this, now minus this. That's why I told you at first. The only reason this figure is bigger than the last figure here, you come and you press it there so that you don't forget that. So minus 5500. And the amount you get there is going to be 17 minus. You get 82500. So that's the amount you get. Now our income tax, you add all these ones here. So here it was 0, or if you wanted, you say 0, here you will say 0. Now times 100,000 minus 0. Still you will get the 0 there. If you say that you feel uncomfortable. Then the income tax, our income tax is going to be, we add all these ones. So we shall add the 5,000, then plus the 10,000, then plus the 5,000, then plus the 30 still, then plus the 8 to 50. And now the amount is going to be plus, this is going to be 6, then this is 7, 70,000. Now plus 82500. The amount you get here is shillings 157,500. So that's the income tax. Then to calculate the net income, part C, this was B. Then C, the net income is going to be, we say net income, we get the gross income. The gross income minus the income tax, which will be our gross of 900,000, then minus the income tax, which is 57,500. And the answer we get here is shillings 7,425,100. That is the amount this man gets when we remove all the taxes. So that's how we handle these numbers. I think I have exhausted all. I wish you the best. Now there are some questions when we need to convert to years, but anyway, if they give you anything in annual, you convert it like that. If they give you monthly, you convert everything to monthly. They give you, when all the things are in annual, per year, you convert them. I wish you the best.